Hello, I am Richie from the rigotech chip tuning, and this is the very first video of our Express cable by rigotech. This is that, and we have some ECU prepared for testing today, so you will see how it operates in action and how can you use yours. This device specially designed to make much easier, safer and faster the bench programming process. So when you're working in bench mode with the ECU, you don't have to put the wires one by one, just connect the original factory connectors like you can see here, and set up our multiplexer box to the appropriate ECU, then press ID or read-write operation, and you are done. This device is capable to handle more than 300 ECUs, and there are 382 connection variants. Here are some ECUs we are going to test today. They are not 300, but if it works fine with them, we'll work with the rest of the ECUs also. So we have done. We have two more cables, because the ECUs have different connectors. We prepared 4 main cables to cover 250 ECUs. This is the cable 2, this is the cable 3, and the cable 1 is already connected. We are starting the test with the C1, and you will see the other cables later. If we would like to handle this PCR ECU from Siemens Continental, it is necessary to connect our CH cable that fits to this connector. It has the same connector like many of Bosch computers, and also with Marelli's, with Timecodes, and some Delphi control units. In the menu you will see the list of the control units, and we can also send you through email after subscribing. We also have our 3 favorite tools on the desk. I'm going to show you our solution works together with AutoTuner, CAS and CMD, and also B-Flash and Fox and Galetto, and all of the tuning tools. The only difference is they need a small adapter cable to connect our box to the appropriate tool. With AutoTuner we have a direct connection. There's nothing special, but it was obvious to use these standard connectors and save costs on the cables. Okay, the computer is connected. Now we are look for the PCR ECU in the menu of the box. Okay, so this is the main menu of our tool. It already remembers the previously used ECUs, so very easy to locate the ECU if you have more than one car in a day. So we select first the manufacturer of the ECU. This is this one. This is PCR. And select the ECU. So we also seek for that one with the ECU. Okay, press ID. It needs some time, but very fast. I like it. So, as you can see, it's connected through our cable and the multiplexer box. To ensure it works with CAS and CMD, I will swap the tools during this test, but not ECU will be tested with all tools because we have more than 30 ECUs prepared for testing, and that multiply by 3 is almost 100 test case. We don't have time for that, but in further videos you can check the functionality of the box and cables in separate videos with separated tools and ECUs step by step. Now we are on CAS. I already selected the PCR. Okay, we have ID with a CAS, and now we can run other options. The next one, CMD, where I'm also connecting. It's very useful, not just because of its safety and convenient operation, but you don't need to rewire your ECU for different tools, just if our system is connected. As you can see, it's very simple to swap the tools, and you can save backups, and you can test your tools, which one is the best for the selected ECU. Or you can read with all of your tools. Okay. We are here with the CMD. Bench. Okay. ID. It works fine. Okay, the next is on my list is EJC16U1. I have to reconfigure our box because it is still on a PCR. So I'm long press the button. It goes back to the main menu. Then I'm going to BOSS. Then EJC16U, E1. Select the connection, and it's configured. Unfortunately, we don't have the EJC16s activated in our CMD, so I can't test, but we'll test with AutoGNR. Here also select the ECU. Everything is checked. And ready. So we can read the ECU. Just for the test, I won't read everyone, but sometime maybe we will check its functionality on reading and ID, maybe on write. While it is reading, I can tell you a story. We have our previous multiplexer box. This one you may have seen in our previous video, but we haven't manufactured this style, this design. But it is after many tests. So the electronics inside this one and in our Experss is almost the same. This only one cable per connectors with this small wire covers more than 90 ECUs, as our Experss also covers 91 ECUs with this style of socket. And yes, it is much better because sometimes we can't access the ECU connector easy while the ECU in the car so without pulling it out. And this solution was not so comfortable because it's a little bit big, but if we count that it's full of electronics, its size is acceptable, but not so comfortable to use. This is why we decided to switch these style original connectors and original style harnesses. The reed is almost done. So the reed is okay, our cable is still connected and in operation. Next we will go and check the complete cast. This is very fast as received supply, the data comes immediately. Okay, we are ready. So we don't have the C16, so we can't check now with CMD, but on the list. The next is Marelli, it's MJD6JF. It's supported only by CAS, so we can test with CAS. It's much easier to plug and play than playing with the wires. Okay, we have to reconfigure the cable. So go back to the main menu, then select Marelli, MJD is okay, and JF. Okay, it's configured. Yes, it's connected. For test, I'm selecting fast operation. We read the EEPROM. Okay. So the next issue is on our list is ADC 17 CP04. Okay. First I'm selecting the CAS. This is yes. Okay, and now we reconfigure the box for this EDC 17. Yeah. Go back to the main menu. Go back to boss. It was CP04. CP. Okay. Selected and ready. Pressing ready. Okay, now we can test with CMD also. That's it. It is very fast, we love it. And at this issue, the last one is the auto-tuner. It's also very fast. Yes, that's it. So it works. So next on my list is ADC16 CP34. Okay, we're selecting from the menu. Press. Okay, CP34. Okay, configured. Yeah, that's it. It's very fast, so we'll have to use it and yes. We are testing with yes. Okay, it works. Okay. Oh, wrong family selected, but the communication is okay, so I don't select 1500 protocol now, but go to the next ECU. It is MED 17.5. We are configuring the box. We can go step by step back, but if I'm long press, it goes back to the main menu. So box MED 17. We have many. This is this one. Okay, configured. We have to swap the tools. It isn't in class list. That's an ID. And that's it. It works. We are checking with the CMD. Okay, this is ready. Next on my list is, yes, it's a rather MED 17.5.2, but I think we can skip that to save time for the more interesting ones. And go with the next. This is MED 9.1. Hopefully the best tool developers will include a special function for our box. It's called a CAN configuration. So you, in the future, hopefully, you don't need to choose or select the appropriate ECU from the menu. Just if you will select an ECU in your CAS or in your CMD or also in AutoTuner, and hopefully B-Flash and Magic also will be included to this group. You have to do nothing, just select the ECU in the software and the box will be configured automatically to operate with the selected and connected ECU. It's called CAN support. Our box already includes this function, and so it is CAN ready. But now I have to select manually. I'm going back not step by step. Okay. Which one is M89.1? Okay, we have some different wiring options for this MAD, but according my list, the first should be okay. Yes, it's configured. Yes, it works. So connected. Yes. Yes. It's okay.